Welcome to the AZ channel. Let's start. Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light.
The skin across her cheekbones was tight. Daniel was discussing alternative targets with Captain Pimentel.
The driver of the white car didn't make a good assessment and caused the accident.
In case the battleship had been badly out of position in the system. It boiled down to the fact that there were no alternatives.
This is a classic example of hit and run video. The driver who caused the accident didn't pay attention to the road ahead. The driver didn't make a good assessment and caused the accident.
Is on delicate social issues like abortion. In this area, where they've been, I think, loath to enter.
The driver who caused the accident didn't pay attention to the road ahead.
Well, the American Congress of Obstetricians and Gynecologists.
Hey, man.
Doctors who actually do abortions and take care of women's reproductive.
Okay.